So here's how you can promote a specific item on Temu and make a lot of money when someone clicks on your link and buys that item. It's actually quite easy and simple to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this entire video so you don't miss out on any critical steps. That's really important. So then the very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open our Temu app. And then once you have logged into the homepage, go ahead and click on the U button on the bottom. And then now you can be led up to your U page. Just scroll down a little bit, and then if you go ahead and click on earn credits and free gifts, you can find that the affiliate thing is not in here. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on categories, go into the search bar, and then just simply type in affiliate, and then that's going to lead you over to your affiliate page where you can see that you can make a lot of money through affiliates. Now if you scroll down a little bit, actually scroll down to the really bottom, and then so as you can see at the very bottom, there's an option that says share items, earn money by sharing your curated items. So go ahead and click on this option right over here, and then be led up to this website where you can actually see a bunch of different items that they are promoting, and so you can choose any random item in this page right over here to promote and actually earn a commission from. So let's say we want to promote these unisex Eva breathable sandals. So you want to click on the circle on the right hand side just like that, and now you have selected it, and then at the bottom as you can see it says copy items. So go ahead and click on copy items. Links items has copied successfully. So now you have copied that link. So as you can see, if we go over to any social media app, and I can literally paste that URL link that we have just copied, delete this part right over here. And so once you have deleted everything, you just get that Temu link, which is going to be the item that you have chosen. So as you can see, if we go over and confirm that, and so if anyone goes ahead and click on that Temu link right over there, it's going to lead you over to that specific item. And then if they buy it, you earn a commission. So that is how you can promote a specific item on Temu.